Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is Alphabetical Series Set 7. Question number 1. In following questions, a sequence of groups of alphabets and numbers is provided with one term missing. Choose the missing term from options. A. C D G H I UVC. Option A. LMNO. Option B. MNO. Option C. NOP. Option D. MONOP. The correct answer is Option D. MONOP. The number of letters in the terms goes on increasing by one at each step. Also, there is a gap of one letter between the last letter of the first term and first letter of the second term, and a gap of 2 letters between the last letter of the second term and first letter of the third term. So, the first letter of the required term would be 4 steps ahead of the last letter of the third term. Question number 2. In following questions, a sequence of groups of alphabets and numbers is provided with one term missing. Choose the missing term from options. D4, F6, H8, J10. Option A. K12, M13. Option B. L12, M14. Option C. L12, N14. Option D. K12, M14. The correct answer is Option C. L12, N14. The letters in the series are alternate and the numbers indicate their position in the alphabets from the beginning. Question number 3. In following questions, a sequence of groups of alphabets and numbers is provided with one term missing. Choose the missing term from options. 3F, 6G, 11I, 18 liters. Option A. 21O. Option B. 25N. Option C. 27P. Option D. 27Q. Option E. 25P. The correct answer is Option C. 27P. The letters in the first, second, third and fourth terms are respectively moved 1, 2, 3 and 4 steps forward to obtain the letter in the subsequent terms. The 2, 3 and 4 steps forward by the numbers is +3, +5, +7, +9. Question number 4. In following questions, a sequence of groups of alphabets and numbers is provided with one term missing. Choose the missing term from options. KM5, IP8, GS11, EV14. Option A. BX17. Option B. BY17. Option C. CY18. Option D. CZ17. Option E. CY17. The correct answer is Option E. CY17. The first letter of each term is moved 2 steps backward and the second letter is moved 3 steps forward to obtain the corresponding letters of the next term. The number in each term is 3 more than that in the preceding term. Question number 5. In following questions, a sequence of groups of alphabets and numbers is provided with one term missing. Choose the missing term from options. J2Z, K4X, 17 volts, H16R, M22P. Option A. I11T. Option B. L11S. Option C. L12T. Option D. L11T. Option E. L12S. The correct answer is Option D. L11T. The first letters in odd-numbered terms from series J, I, H and in even-numbered terms from the series K, L, M. The sequence followed by the numbers is +2, +3, +4, +5, +6. The third letter of each term is moved 2 steps backward to obtain the third letter of the next term. Question number 6. In following questions, a sequence of groups of alphabets and numbers is provided with one term missing. Choose the missing term from options. 2Z5, 7Y7, 14/9, 23W11, 34V13. Option A, 27U24. Option B, 47U15. Option C, 45U15. Option D, 47V14. The correct answer is option B, 47U15. The first numbers in the terms follow the sequence +5, +7, +9, +11, +13. The middle letters form the series Z, Y, X, W, V, U. The last numbers from the series 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Question number 7. In following questions, a sequence of groups of alphabets and numbers is provided with one term missing. Choose the missing term from options. 2A11, 4D13, 12G17. Option A, 36I19. Option B, 48J21. Option C, 36J21. Option D, 48J23. The correct answer is option D, 48J23. The first numbers in the terms follow the sequence x2, x3, x4. The middle letter of each term is moved 3 steps forward to obtain the corresponding letter of the next term. The last numbers follow the sequence +2, +4, +6. Question number 8. In following questions, a sequence of groups of alphabets and numbers is provided with one term missing. Choose the missing term from options. C4X, F9U, 116R. Option A, K25P. Option B, L25P. Option C, L25O. Option D, L27P. The correct answer is option C, L25O. The first letter of each term is moved 3 steps forward and the last letter is moved 3 steps back here to obtain the corresponding letters of the next term. The numbers from the sequence 22, 32, 42, 52. Question number 9. In following questions, a sequence of groups of alphabets and numbers is provided with one term missing. Choose the missing term from options. Q1F, S2E, U6D, W21C. Option A, Y66B. Option B, Y44B. Option C, Y88B. Option D, Z88B. The correct answer is option C, Y88B. The first letter of each term is moved 2 steps forward and the last letter is moved 1 step backward to obtain the corresponding letters of the next term. The number series runs as follows: 1 by 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 by 2 plus 2 equals 6, 6 by 3 plus 3 equals 21, 21 by 4 plus 4 equals 88. Question number 10. What terms will fill the blank spaces? Z, X, V, T, R. Option A, O, K. Option B, N, M. Option C, K, S. Option D, M, N. Option E, P, N. The correct answer is option E, P, N. Clearly, the given series consists of alternate letters in a reverse order. So, the missing terms would be P and N. Hence, the answer is E. Question number 11. Which term comes next in the sequence? NDEDTOTJ. Option A, MP. Option B, NQ. Option C, off. Option D, oi. Option E, me. The correct answer is option D, oi. Clearly, the first and second letters of each term are moved 5 steps backward to obtain the corresponding letters of the next term. Hence, the answer is D. Question number 12. What will be the next term in BDF, CFI, DHL? Option A, CJM. Option B, I'm. Option C, AHO. Option D, ME. The correct answer is option C, AHO. Clearly, the first, second and third letters of each term are respectively moved 1, 2 and 3 steps forward to obtain the corresponding letters of the next term. So, the missing term in AHO. Hence, the answer is C. Question number 13. Which term comes next in the series? AB, WFD, UHG, ski? Option A, coal. Option B, QGL. Option C, toll. Option D, QNL. The correct answer is option A, coal. Clearly, the first letter of each term is moved 2 steps backward to obtain the first letter of the next term. So, the first letter of the missing term will be Q. The second letter of the first, second, third, fourth terms are respectively moved 1, 2, 3 and 4 steps forward to obtain the corresponding letter of the subsequent term. So, the second letter in the missing term will be O. The third letter is alternately moved 2 and 3 steps forward to obtain the corresponding letter of the subsequent term. So, the third letter in the missing term will be L. Thus, the missing term is coal. Hence, the answer is A. Question number 14. Which term will replace the question mark in the series ABD, DGK, HMS, MTB, SBL? Option A, ZKW. Option B, ZKU. Option C, ZAB. Option D, XKW. The correct answer is option A, ZKW. Clearly, the first letters of the first, second, third, fourth and fifth terms are moved 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 steps forward respectively to obtain the first letter of the successive terms. The second letters of the first, second, third, fourth and fifth terms are moved 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 steps forward respectively to obtain the second letter of the successive terms. The third letters of the first, second, third, fourth and fifth terms are moved 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 steps forward respectively to obtain the third letter of the successive terms. Thus, the missing term would be ZKW. Hence, the answer is A. Question number 15. Choose the term which will continue the following series: P3C, R5F, T8I, V12 liters. Option A, Y17O. Option B, X17M. Option C, X17O. Option D, X16O. The correct answer is option C, X17O. Clearly, the first letters of the terms are alternate. The sequence followed by the numbers is +2, +3, +4. The last letter of each term is 3 steps ahead of the last letter of the preceding term. Thus, the next term would be X17O. Hence, the answer is C. Question number 16. KPA, LQB, MRC, NSD. Option A, Ijot. Option B, Ote. Option C, Youth. Option D, Toe. The correct answer is option B, Ote. The first letter of every group is in alphabetical order, i.e., Klumno. Same is the case with 2 and 3 letters of the group, such as PQRST and ABKD. Question number 17. ADG, GJM. Option A, Not. Option B, MOK. Option C, MPs. Option D, WTO. The correct answer is option C, MPs. The first letter of every group is the last letter of the preceding group with a gap of 2 letters in every member of the group, i.e., after ADG we see GJM. Question number 18. AB underscore A underscore B underscore AB underscore A. Option A, BAB. Option B, ABA. Option C, ABBA. Option D, BAB. The correct answer is option A, BAB. The letters group ABBA is repeated 3 times. Question number 19. AZA, BIB, CXC. Option A, DXD. Option B, DXM. Option C, DWD. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, DWD. Question number 20. NMO, RQs, ZIA. Option A, DCE. Option B, BCD. Option C, ECD. Option D, FCD. The correct answer is option A, DCE. Every next term in the series starts with a gap of 1 letter along with some change in the sequence of letters such as NMO is for MNO, RQs is for QRS and so on. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz then download the Wonderslate app now, link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.